don't need this. Just throw my kettle away, right? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I am Chanel, aka No Mediocre 876, and on this channel I do health, travel, food, and lifestyle videos. In today's video, we will be reviewing this awesome device which I got recently. It is the ECOVIVA Mate4 Reverse Osmosis Countertop Water Filter. Alright, so you know how I do it, guys. Whenever I get a new product, of course I'm going to wait on you guys, to tune in to see the entire process, the unboxing and everything. So this reverse osmosis water filter, I was excited to get this device because, for one, it's a countertop water filter, so there's no technicalities surrounding it. I don't need to get a plumber to set it up. I can do it all at home. But anyway, I'm going to say some of that information during the setup process to share with you, so you too can decide if you want to get this countertop water filter. Alright, so let us unbox it now. So upon opening the box, we have this device right here. By the way, guys, I did not get a manual with the device, so I reached out to support and they sent me an email with the manual. So this device right here is what you'd use to remove the water filter that comes with the device. And this is our magnetic dripping panel, so whenever water is dripping, it will collect it in this little thingy right here. All right, so let's take it out and do the setup process. Alright guys, so this is our ECOVIVA water filter, countertop water filter system. Alright, so let's do a close-up of it. And this is our water reservoir. So this is where we'd pour our water. That's two holes right here. This is where the water goes through. So the ECOVIVA Mate4 Smart Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Filter System offers several benefits that combine high-performance water purification with smart, user-friendly features, such as number 1, advanced filtration performance. Its reverse osmosis technology is designed to filter out a wide range of impurities, from heavy metals and chlorine to pesticides and other contaminants, ensuring you have access to clean, safe drinking water. By eliminating many unwanted substances, the system often enhances the taste and odor of your water. Number 2, smart technology integration. Built-in sensors and smart indicators help track water quality and filter performance. This means you get timely alerts when it's time to replace filters or perform maintenance. The smart features make it easy to understand the system status at a glance, reducing the guesswork in upkeep. Alright, so this is where your filter is. And this is a device that you use to remove it. So just line it up. So this direction to unlock it and this way to lock it. Turn like this. And this is how it looks. So you won't, according to the manual, you don't need to replace this until after a year. So no, you don't need to replace this anytime soon once you have it. Then we're going to just put it back in place while locking it this way. So there's a 6 to 8 step which you must adhere to before you use the device for the very first time. So after you do this process, that is the 6 to 8 steps, you no longer have to do it. So this 6 to 8 steps ensure that the machine functions at its best, and basically it cleans the device, get it ready for you to use. Number 3, hassle-free installation and versatility. Unlike under-sink systems, the countertop setup requires no permanent plumbing modifications. This makes it ideal for renters, those with limited installation options, or anyone looking for a straightforward plug-and-play solution. Its design allows you to move it easily if you decide to rearrange your space or take it with you when you move. Number 4, eco-friendly and cost-effective. By providing a steady supply of filtered water at home, it helps cut down on single-use plastic bottles, benefiting your wallet and the environment. Though the initial investment might be higher than basic pitchers, the efficiency and longevity of the system can lead to significant savings over time compared to continuously purchasing bottled water. Number 5, sleek, modern aesthetic. The minimalist and modern look of the Mate4 complements a variety of kitchen decors, adding an element of style along with functionality. So the flashing work sign that was there is now gone, which is an indication that the reverse osmosis water reservoir is now full. It is evident by the remainder of water that's left in the tank. So what we're going to do now is to pour out this water out of it. So this is step 1. Pour out the remaining water that's left in the tank. Our empty tank that we're putting back in place. This filter system blends state-of-the-art filtration with smart convenience, making it a strong option for anyone looking to ensure high-quality drinking water with minimal fuss. After the first process is complete, you unplug the cord, wait for a few seconds, and you do this entire process all over again. Alright, so what I want to point out to you guys is the definition surrounding these abbreviations. So TDS stands for Total Dissolved Solids, and ppm as it relates to TDS, it's a unit of measurement which stands for parts per million. So we have successfully flushed our ECOVIVA Mate4 countertop water filter. We flushed it 6 times. I think I gave it an additional flush, so I flushed it 7 times, and our TDS levels is awesome. It is below 10 parts per million, so that's exceptional. So remember, ppm is a unit of measurement for TDS, and TDS stands for total dissolved solids such as minerals, heavy metals, chlorine, etc. By the way, with a machine like this, I don't even need my kettle anymore, because we have different temperatures for water. We have the boiling water, which we can select. We have temperature for baby formula, which is incredible. If you have a baby, baby can get their formula at the right temperature. And we also have normal temperature and temperature for your tea or coffee. So in the case of myself who drinks tea every single night, I can have a perfect cup of tea without waiting for it to cool. So I don't need this. Just throw my kettle away, right? Alright, so let's test it out. These days I have been experimenting with fruits, with different types of fruits and mint leaves. So let's add our strawberries in our glass. Oh look, this one looks like a heart. So this is our strawberry mint flavored drink. So refreshing. Guys, I would suggest that you try out this combination. It's really good. But yes guys, this water filter system works really well. I love it, and yeah, I'm happy that they sent it to me to review because it will solve all my water issues. I don't need to necessarily buy water that often because now I have a countertop water filter. If you are interested in purchasing this countertop water filter, I will leave the link to it in the description. And in addition to that, I'll also leave a discount code. So once you click the link, right, it'll take you over to ECOVIVA MATE4 page, and you select the color that you want and also enter the discount code. So yeah, that's it guys. Share this video so others can know about the ECOVIVA MATE4 reverse osmosis countertop water filter, and everyone will be happy because they have a discount code to use. So share the video guys.